this video, I will tell you how to change name on Facebook profile. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the like button. Open your Facebook profile and click on 3 lines in upper right corner. Then click on this settings icon. Then click on the option Personal Details. Select your profile. Here, you can edit your name, username, and profile picture. Click on Name option. Here, write your name, which you want. I am just typing my name. After this, simply click on Review Changes. Again, review your name, which you want, then simply click on Save Changes. After this, your Facebook account name is changed successfully.